training my brother-in-law how to install this radio. So now he tried to use that's the right plug for sure, and he couldn't figure out how to get it in. So it's gonna fit, so you have to try it. So this is what, if you guys never done it before, pretend it's one of you is him. So he tried to fit it, but it didn't work. But this is the right plug. So what do? You still have to go in. It should be going in. He got a point, but he's not sure why. First of all, you have to look at this thing right there. So you have to match this piece. So it fit. It should be the right one. There you go. Now, you have to make sure it works. He's gonna have to hook up the antenna, the microphone. So basically you match color to color, yellow, red, black, blue, green, and then
customer service. It pays to discover. Limitations apply. Learn more at discover.com/credit card.
Yeah, that's it. And the mounting kit, I'll tell you the number later. And then also right there, you got to use the screw that came with it. If it doesn't come with the little screw, you're gonna have to go get some to get it to fit, because they don't come with screws. And go ahead and plug the antenna adapter in for the radio station. So he's not sure why. This is his first time right there. So I'm trying to tell you if it's. So he's not sure why it's not going in, and I know the problem, but let's see if he know anything. Oh, okay, you have to take that out. So he got a point right there. So right there, this is airbag thing. You got to cut it off and tape them because it's put a go right here to show you the airbag. See, right here. It's not in the right way, so when you put it on, it's not going to be right. So you have to make sure it's in the hole. Take it off, loose it a little bit. That's got to be in the hole like that. Yep, that's not in the hole. There you go. It's got to be in the right hole like this. Không ai việc tặng khăn những việc đạch những bạn đâu. Now he's gonna try to fit everything back in. As you can see, this string right there, this you might have to take this out right there, but the problem is someone stole this before, so it might not work right. So you want to take this out first with a needle nose. You're on YouTube trying to train somebody that's new and try to fit it in. So here it is. He got everything hooked up right, so